What is up to everybody, Faraz here, and today I'm gonna be showing you ways to bass boost your songs. You recognize that's any. Let's get right into it. The first thing is required software called Audacity. This is free software, easy and simple to use, link of the software given in the description, so let's start the video. Open the software, click here. Click here. Now also click here. I've selected this non-copyrighted rap song. Click here. The file is now uploading. It will take no time. Once uploading finished, select all the track, by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to Effect, scroll down. Choose to normalize. After that, go again to the effect section. This time you need to select bass and treble. Let's check it. You can adjust the bass and treble from here. After completing editing, move to the next step, which is to export the file to PC. Click here, go to Export, click here, choose your presets. After it clicks on yes, ignore it, type text in the desired box. This is the final step. Choose your location and save the file. Export has started. It will not take any time depending on the length of the file.